Is it I regret to say or I regret saying?
A gerund is a verb that ends in ing but functions as a noun. An infinitive is the base form of a verb with a word to in front of it.
I regret quitting my job. In this example, we use regret plus a gerund to talk about what you wish you had or hadn't done in the past. Watch how the infinitive changes the meaning. I regret to inform you that you did not win the art contest. We use regret plus infinitive to give bad news. I regret staying up so late last night. I regret to tell you that your favorite team didn't win the game. Let's practice. I regret quitting piano lessons as a child. What do you regret doing? Let me know in the comments.